you like making your own Lolita skirts and JSKs and OPs? I do too, if you said yes. If you didn't, that's okay. It's kind of difficult to actually find Lolita fabric, like fabric that's suitable for Lolita, because there's such like a specific aesthetic that you have to hit for making Lolita garments. So, I'm here to help with that. Today I have compiled a list of Etsy stores and websites that sell fabric that is perfectly suitable for Lolita fashion. So all of these stores I'll be showing you are easily accessible. You don't need a shopping service for any of these, and all of these ship globally. So you won't be tearing your hair out being like, oh, I love this, but it doesn't ship to my country, and I'm gonna have to spend all this money on a shopping service. No, none of that. This is easy. I'm making it easy. Voiceover Sophie activating in 3, 2, 1. Let's get shopping.
First Etsy store I'll be talking about is PopoLace. This is a Chinese store and it has its own section dedicated to Lolita fabric. This Etsy store is my personal favorite for Lolita specific fabrics. There are so many beautiful prints that it's hard to choose which ones to show you guys, but I have been eyeing this gorgeous sweets picnic little delicate tea party fabric. This comes in 3 different colors and 2 different pattern sizes. The smaller pattern size is suitable for ball jointed dolls, but the big size is the one we want when we're making human-sized Lolita pieces. Maybe you can even twin with your ball jointed doll. When we scroll down here, we can also see that this fabric is polyester. I think this one might be a cotton polyester blend. I know a lot of people aren't the biggest fans of working with these sort of more synthetic materials, and a good chunk of the fabrics on this Etsy store are either polyester or polyester cotton mixes. This fabric costs $11.58 Canadian per 50 centimeter by 148 centimeter cuts. Also, does this look familiar to you? This is absolutely a knockoff of Angelic Pretty's Horror Candy Shop, I think the name of the release is. The next store I'll be showing you is Boqinana. I hope I'm saying that name right. It's also located in China, and a lot of their fabric leans more towards a cutesy retro style, but they do have a lot of unique floral prints that would be perfect in a classic or country style Lolita dress. So let's look at a couple listings. This beautiful floral fabric that I love so much is about $7 Canadian for 160 centimeters by half a yard. This fabric is cotton. I find most of the fabric that they sell is either cotton or poplin. I haven't seen I don't think any polyester fabrics on this store. They also show the measurements of the print in a lot of their listings, which is super helpful. Also, I wanted to show you guys this adorable Bonbon Ribbon border print fabric. Isn't it just so adorable? Now for an Aliexpress store. This is WeshipFUPU, and as you can see, it stocks some of the same fabrics as PopoLace. Once again, this ships from China. Here's a Christmas themed fabric. It's really cute. I love the little snowman. If you're planning on making a Christmas themed cord, I saw a few cute fabrics on this store. So a meter by a meter and a half cut is about $22 Canadian. It's a bit more expensive because this fabric is cotton and linen. It's not polyester. I really like the fact that they measure out the width of the border of the print as well, so you get a sense of how big the cute little snowmen actually are. Modes for You is based in Hong Kong and specializes in Japanese fabrics, including a lot of Sanrio fabrics and other adorable fabrics that are just perfect for Lolita. Modes for You is honestly my personal favorite website just for Japanese fabric. They have a pretty extensive selection of fabrics to choose from. I suggest searching for fabrics from brands like Cosmo, Koka, Hako, and Kyohara on here. They have a well-categorized search system to find specific kinds of fabric more easily. You could search by pattern, material, color, even the themes of a fabric. I giggle at the fact that there's a dedicated creatures section for all of the animal prints that you can find. Look at how adorable this fabric is. Look at the cute little bunnies. Okay, so this one is a cotton fabric that costs $12.50 Canadian for 110 centimeters by 50 centimeters piece. They provide a lot of fabric details, including the fabric's weight, as well as the size of the fabric's pattern, which is something I really appreciate when I'm making a dress or a skirt. They accept the standard PayPal, Visa, and MasterCard as payments. The Cotton Shop is located in Singapore and specializes in mainly Japanese and Korean fabrics. Most of the fabric on here is, as the store's name would suggest, cotton. I wanted to include this store because it has a large range of cute fabric from brands that I really like. If you're looking for cute fabric, again, I suggest searching for Cosmo, Coco, Hoko, and Kiyohara. The store has a standard measurement for cutting fabric, so each quantity of fabric is 50 centimeters by 120 centimeters. This Kiyohara strawberry fabric costs $6.40. It's on sale actually, for one quantity of fabric. The store also gives washing instructions for each fabric listing, which I really appreciate because that's not something that you really see a lot of on these online fabric stores. This store accepts a variety of payment options, including Google Pay and PayPal. Forest Fabric is another Hong Kong-based fabric store. This one actually has a physical location as well as an online store. They stock fabric from Japan, America, Korea. On this store, I've been able to find a lot of unique fabric that I really haven't seen anywhere else. I really like this Jolie Fleur collection fabric, for example. They have a couple of Alice in Wonderland inspired fabrics that are just so beautiful and so intricate and remind me a lot of Alice and the Pirates for some reason. This one, for example, is cotton, and each order is 30 centimeters by 40 centimeters for $8. They also stock a lot of beautiful traditional Japanese fabric prints. Now that I've shown you some fabric, let's move on to lace. Lacetrimwholesalers is an Etsy store that sells from China and is, as its name suggests, a wholesaler for lace. If the prices look a bit high, that's only because this shop sells in bulk. Most of the listings are around 10 yards of lace, so one quantity of lace is usually 10 yards and sells for around $20 Canadian. They sell the type of lace you usually see on Lolita dresses, like mesh embroidery, cotton, and cotton embroidery. I've been eyeing this cotton one for a while now, to be used on a skirt that I am currently in the process of making. This cotton lace is almost 23 Canadian dollars for 10 yards, so about $2.30 for a yard. This listing includes the width of the lace as well as various colors of the lace insert. Ivyverynice also sells from China and also sells most of their lace wholesale. Like Lacetrimwholesalers, they sell a lot of cotton and mesh embroidery lace. This adorable heart and candy mesh lace is around $23 for 10 yards. On each listing, they also typically show the width of the lace. Lacebeauty really lives up to its name. This Etsy store stocks the most intricate and honestly gorgeous lace I've been able to find on Etsy. This store ships from China. This rayon mermaid lace costs almost $9 Canadian for 2 yards and comes in 2 beautiful colors.
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, ask them and I'll be able to help you if I can. I'm so sorry that this video took like so long to actually get out, but like I've been having so many technical difficulty issues with actually like the technical aspect of making this video. I tried to do a Zoom call with myself. My computer kept on crashing. The other laptop that I use, for some reason, the internal webcam does not work with the Windows 11 that I have on it. It's so weird. just a lot of there was just like a lot of technical difficulties. So next video, I promise, will take a lot shorter of a time to actually make and upload. Again, I'm so sorry about that. I hope you found this video helpful or interesting. I'm very... Also, I can't believe I'm almost at 300 subscribers. That's crazy. Anyways, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video, which hopefully will be somewhat soon. Somewhat more soon than this one. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye!